Right, just got my new Sony FDR AX1 delivered today at last, and now we will see if it was worth the wait. Right, everything seems to be in there. Cables for HDMI, obviously power supplies, for the charger, yep, no one uses these really, but they'll come in handy for the audio to VCR or to link up to TV, and of course the power supply. Yep, and there's the lead that goes at the back of the Sony. Right. Oh, and the USB stick, the USB lead. Yep, that'll be for the PC. Now, what's that? That's a charger, isn't it? Look like manuals. Anyway, we'll go left. Ta-da! Yep, got the charger. On the right, the manuals. Looks like they're all in different languages. Okay. Oh, and there's the memory card. Nice. 32 gig. Goes in the camera. Don't know what this is. Yep, memory card instructions and the manual. Get rid of the manuals. Oh, Sony's program. That's to help you if you haven't already got a post-production software. And I don't know what this is. It looks like a warrant. Right. What's next? Okay. Nearly there. What's this? The charger. Obvious, the battery, I mean. Not the charger, the battery. This obviously goes for the eyepiece. Oh, I thought that was something. Right, and that is it. Now, right, we have the camera. Okay. Ta-da. Brand new Sony FDR AX1. Right. Not bad. And obviously the screen. Okay. Hopefully when I dropped it in there, it didn't break it. The handle, tripods, obviously the lens, and that's it. The brand new Sony FDR AX1. Time to record.